Guys, I ran into this question while I was working through some geometric sequences, writing them as exponential functions from class earlier today. One thing I noticed that with this question is we want to think that this is some sort of an exponential function, and it kind of is. We still have to do some things consistently all the same. Number one, we should always identify what the initial value is. It's always the first term. It's listed as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's the 5 specifically. We use the little sub 1. Better yet, I'm going to introduce to you some new notation. I'm going to say g of 1. And we put it in parentheses because in parentheses it gets us to think about function notation, not multiply. Item number 2 in this problem is to figure out what the R value is, the common ratio. And in order to determine that, watch a previous short, you put the second number divided by the first number. Negative 15 divided by 5. Turns out you do get an R value of negative 3, and because of that minus sign, this is not specifically an exponential situation, but we still have to know those two pieces of information in order to write our function. I know we've got g with a little subscript n, but I'm going to use the parentheses notation now. G of n. They mean the same thing, but one of them feels more like a function and moves us forward. It's going to be the initial value times, I'm using parentheses differently here. Now I'm using them as an actual multiplication to the exponent n minus 1. Type all of that in, you've got your problem. It's not exponential, it actually generates a sequence that goes oscillating above and below the x-axis. Thanks for watching this video. Check out my channel for more. Yeah.